Welcome to Programming ABC. Now I show three basic procedure of Python. Run Python IDE. Python basic. Replication using star. Character from string using index. Get character from string using index number. Remove character from string using slice. Now at first we replication using star demo PROGRAMMING Programming ABC KK equal demo. Star, how many times you replicate this line, type line number. I write 4, just it replicate 4 times. print print KK. Programming ABC, execute 4 times, replicate. Now get character from string using index number. These are a word including index number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Now we draw a character. First character 0. P, first character P. If I draw this character 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, number 4, R. Index always count positive number. You can count negative number minus using minus, suppose 4, minus 3, minus 2. Negative, when you use negative index, then include from right to left. 1, 0, 1, 2, A. We draw A. Sorry, draw B, minus 2. Now we remove character from a string using slice. First 3 letter we remove using this string. 3, first 3 letter remove.